Okay, so our objective for today is to divide a whole number by a unit fraction. In order to do so, we will work our way through a word problem. Let's say Jenny buys 2 kilograms of walnuts. If Jenny wants to put the 2 kilograms in each bag, how many bags will she make? So she has 2 kilograms and she's planning to put all of the 2 kilograms in each bag. So how many bags will she make? So that translates to 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So she will be needing 1 bag. She's not splitting the quantity at all. Alright, let's see what happens if she puts 1 kilogram in each bag. How many bags will she make? I have 2 kilograms and I need to put 1 kilogram in each bag. Therefore, I see this 1 kilogram here and 1 kilogram here. Therefore, she's splitting her 2 bags into 1 kilogram each. There it is. So she will be needing 2 bags. Let's look at the next scenario. What will happen if she puts half of a kilogram in each bag? How many bags can she make? Alright, so overall, remember she has 2 kilograms of walnuts. Let's see what happens if I have 1 kilogram. If I split it into half, I know there are 2 bags in 1 kilogram. There's 2 halves in a whole. Therefore, she needs 1 bag here and 1 bag here. But this is 1 kilogram. I have 2 kilograms of walnuts. Therefore, I need another one. And I know if one whole has 2 halves, therefore this one will have 2 halves. So here's another bag and another bag. So 1 kilogram requires 2 bags, which means 2 kilograms will need 4 of them because 2 times 2 is 4. I see that in 1 whole, I have 2 halves. In 2 wholes, I have 4 halves. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the next scenario. What will happen if she puts a third of a kilogram in each bag? So let's see. I will start with 1 kilogram. How many thirds in a whole? There's 3 of them, right? 1/3 here, 1/3 here, 1/3 here. But I have 2 wholes in this situation because she bought 2 kilograms of walnuts. Here it is. 1/3 here and 1/3 here and 1/3 here. Each third translates to a bag. So 1 kilogram will be 3 bags. There it is. Each kilogram is 3 bags because she wants to put a third of a kilogram in each bag. So if 1 kilogram is 3 bags, what is 2 kilograms? We will do 2 times 3, which is 6. Therefore, 2 divided by a third equals 6. How many thirds go into 2? 6 of them. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look at the next scenario. What will happen if she puts a quarter of a kilogram in each bag? Right, this translates to how many quarters are in 2 kilograms in 2 wholes. Let's see what's gonna happen. I will start with 1 whole, 1 kilogram. How many quarters in a whole? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter, 1 quarter. So 1 whole or 1 kilogram requires 4 bags. but she bought 2 kilograms. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same situation in the second kilogram as well. There it is. 1 kilogram is 4 bags. Therefore, 2 kilograms will be 2 times 4, which is 8. So how many times a quarter goes into 2? 8 times. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what happens if I have 4 divided by 1/2. First, let's start with 1 whole so it can help us. I know there are 2 halves in a whole. There it is. So if 1 whole has 2 halves, then how many wholes in? So if 1 whole has 2 halves, how many halves in 4 wholes? So we'll do 4 times 2, which will be 8. Let's confirm it. Here is 1 whole right over there. Let's do another one. 2 halves here. Let's do another one. And our last one. So there you go. Here I have 2 halves, 2 halves, 2 halves, 2 halves, which takes me to 4 of those 2 to 8. So how many halves go into 4? 8 of them. Here it is. 2 plus 2, 4, and another 2, 6, and another 2, 8. Let's solve one last problem. How about 3 divided by a quarter, which means how many quarters go into 3? Let's start with the 1 whole. How many quarters in 1 whole? We have 4 of them, right? Here it is. So if I have 4 of them in 1 whole, how many in 3 wholes? So I will do 3 times 4, which is 12. Let's confirm. Here's my second whole, and which has 4 quarters, and the last one also 4. So what do I have here? I have 3 of those 4s, which takes me to 12. My answer was correct. So how many quarters go into 3? 12 of them. One easier way to do fraction division is if I have the same example, let's see it. What did I do here before? We saw that the division became multiplication, and 1 quarter was flipped and became a 4 because there were 4 of them in 1 whole and I had 3 wholes, so 3 times 4 equals 12. So let's look at another example to confirm this. If I had 6 divided by half, which means how many halves go into 6, I will turn division into multiplication, so it will be 6 times. And if I flip the numerator and the denominator here, it will become 2 ones, which is a 2, and 6 times 2 is 12, which is true because how many halves go into 6? There's 2 halves in 1 whole, so in 6 of them there are 12, and that's it.